Hello, class. Let us continue with the tragedy by William Shakespeare, that is Romeo and Juliet. This is the fourth act and scene first of the fourth act. The place where the scene takes place is Friar Lawrence's cell. And the characters that appear on the stage during this scene are Friar Lawrence, Paris, that is a suitor to Juliet, and with whom her father has fixed her marriage. As far as the happenings of the third act are concerned, and Juliet herself. So these three characters appear on the stage during this scene. The time is Tuesday, that is one day before the that is Thursday, on which the marriage is fixed by Juliet's father. So Paris is talking about his marriage, and he's very happy. His fixed marriage, his wedding that will take place on Thursday to Friar Lawrence. And Friar Lawrence, he is actually not giving any kind of reaction on this, because he knows that the girl whom Paris wants to marry is already married to Romeo. So he just listening to what Paris says. Meanwhile, Juliet comes there, and Paris starts talking about their wedding, and he starts expressing his love for Juliet, and he also expresses his concern that she's making herself weak, and she's weeping a lot, and doing harm to her health and her beautiful face by weeping over the death of Tybalt and all that. And Juliet she behaves in a very cold manner, in a very indifferent way to Paris, because she is there. She had told the nurse and her mother that she is going to Friar Lawrence for confession, which we know that as an important tradition in Christianity. When you have something on your mind, some stress and burden, people go to churches where a father is there to listen to their confession. So this is a religious tradition, ritual in Christianity, and Juliet is there for confession. At least she has made her family believe that she is going there for confession, but in reality she is there to seek some advice from Friar Lawrence, because he is the person who knows about her marriage to Romeo, and she believes that he must have some remedy, some solution to this problem, because she never could marry Paris, since she is already married to Romeo. So she gives a kind of hint that she wants to talk to Friar Lawrence alone, because she is there for confession, and Paris goes away. When Paris goes away, Juliet expresses her sense of loss, her grief over Romeo's banishment from Mantua, and how she is unable to live without him and all that. And she even says that she will kill herself rather than live without Romeo, rather than marrying Paris and not Romeo. She will kill herself. Now, when Friar Lawrence listens to this terrible thing from Juliet, a plan comes to his mind, and he gives her a vial. Vial is a container, a small container, in which there is a potion. There is a magical herbal potion is there. Okay, and the power of that potion is that this will now it is Tuesday, and Friar Lawrence tells her, that is Juliet, that tomorrow is Wednesday. So on that day, that is Wednesday, while sleeping, you should take care that you will be alone in your chamber. That is, Juliet has to be alone in her chamber. That is, she has to refuse. She has to tell the nurse to go away, because usually it is the nurse who sleeps with Juliet in the chamber. But on that day, Friar Lawrence tells her to be alone, and before going to sleep, she must on her bed, she must drink the potion. Okay, that drink in that, from that vial, and that will make her sleep for 42 hours. Okay, how many hours? 42 hours, during which she will be sleeping, but there will be no pulse and there will be no sign of her taking breath and all that. So people around her will think that she is dead, Juliet is dead. But actually, because of the influence, because of the power of that potion, of that herbal drink, she will be sleeping for 42 hours. And when people will think that she is dead, Juliet is dead, then as per the custom, the tradition of her family, she will be taken on a bier, that her funeral procession will start, on which, in which, during which her body will be uncovered. That is, her body will not be closed in a coffin, but that will be open, dressed in the best dress, and she will be taken to the crypt in the churchyard. That is, crypt is a chamber that is in the wealthy families, in the famous families. There is the tradition that all the members of all the members of the same family are, their dead bodies are stored there, put there in a chamber, underground chamber, that is known as a crypt. Okay, so Friar Lawrence knows this, and he says, when people will think that you are dead, that is Juliet is dead, then they will in this way her last rites will happen, that her dead body, that will not be a dead body actually, that will be Juliet sleeping, but people will think that she is dead. So they will take her to the crypt of their ancestral family. So along with her ancestors, there will be lying Juliet's body in that chamber. And he says, at the same time, he says, I will send a letter to Romeo now with another friar, and this man, that is the friar, will take that letter to Romeo, who is in Mantua. And in that letter, Friar Lawrence will inform him about this plan, that Juliet is dead for others, but she is not dead, she is just sleeping, and Romeo has to come there before she wakes up from, that is before 42 hours. By the end of 42 hours, Romeo has to reach there to that crypt, and Friar Lawrence will also be there with Romeo before Juliet wakes up from that deep sleep, that is before the end of 42 hours. And in that manner, when Juliet will be awake from that sleep, then Romeo will take her to Mantua, and there they will be free from all the enmity, all the problems between their families and all that. So this is Friar Lawrence's plan. That is, he gives a magical herbal drink, a potion that will make Juliet sleep for 42 hours, and people will think that she is dead, so they will take her body to the crypt where Romeo will come when he will get the letter from Friar Lawrence, which will be carried to him by the hand of another friar who will be a friend to Friar Lawrence. And before 42 hours, Romeo and Friar Lawrence will go to that crypt, unknown to others. Then nobody will know about this plan, and they will go there, and then Romeo will take Juliet to Mantua forever. So this is Friar Lawrence's plan. So by the end of this scene, he gives this magical potion, that vial full of magical potion, to Juliet, and then Juliet agrees to this plan. She goes to her home, to her house, with this drink. So this is an interesting development in the plot. This is a dangerous plan. This is a terrible plan, but there is a hope in Juliet's mind, in Friar Lawrence's mind, that it will succeed, and Romeo and Juliet will be united. They will come together, and they will live happily ever after, this because of this. Now let us see what happens in the second scene of the fourth act. Thank you.